Morning students, today we will do estimation, and everybody knows estimation means round off. While doing round off, we make our calculations easier, means we are making the same things simpler. So today we will read about estimate of product of numbers. Now students, while doing estimation, as we know, we are making our things simpler. Do you know students, we use estimation in our daily life problems also, like while purchasing grocery or stationery or even planning a dinner party, we always try to remain in our budgets, and for that we always estimate the cost of the item that we had purchased. Now students, let's take an example which shows that how estimating product is useful in our day-to-day life. So let's see this example. If I purchase 68 burgers for rupees 29 each for a dinner party, how much did I spend in all? So to find out the answer of this problem, there are two ways. First is simple multiplication, where I multiply 68 multiplied by 29, which is equal to 1972. Now this is a bit difficult calculation. If I use the concept of round off, I'll make this calculation easier. See how? I'm having the number 68 multiplied by 29. Since 68 is a two-digit number, so I round off this number to nearest tens and I get the answer as 70. Similarly, 29 is also a two-digit number. I round off this digit to nearest tens and I get the answer as 30. Or you can say that 68 is nearer to 70 and 29 is nearer to 30. Now what is my estimated product? 70 multiplied by 30, which is equal to 2100. So students, see how your calculations become easier. In this case, the calculation is difficult where you are multiplying 68 multiplied by 29. But if I round off these two numbers, my calculations become easier. Students, always remember this rule which we have done in our 5th standard. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the value will go down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the value will go up. So here also the number at the ones place is 8. So I make the value up by adding 1 to the tens place. Similarly here also the number is 9. I added 1 to the tens place and my answer is 30. So my value in both the cases will go up. Now let's see another example. Now the question is 178 multiplied by 42. Now if I multiply 178 into 42, I can see this is a 3-digit number and this is a 2-digit number. Now simple multiplication will make this question difficult. So I'll round it off these two numbers. I rounded off 178 to nearest tens and I get 180. Similarly, if I rounded off 42 to nearest tens, I get 40. Now 180 into 40 is the estimated product. Now students, if I multiply 18 into 4, it will take time because you have to learn the tables. So 18 into 4 is equal to, think, what is the answer? Yes, you are taking the time. No problem. 18 into 4 is 72 and rest two zeros are same. So students, you can see this is a little difficult problem. But to make this using the concept of rounding off, my calculation should be easier. So what I can do, I'll redo this question once again. Now I round off 178 to nearest 100 and 42 to nearest tens. After rounding off, I get 178. When rounded to nearest 100, I get 200. And when 42 is rounded to nearest tens, I get 40. Now see what are my numbers? 200 multiplied by 40. How how simple the number becomes. 200 into 4 is very simple to multiply. 2 into 4 is 8 and 3 0 as it is. Now see how the calculations become easier. So what is the difference between the two? Here I have rounded off both the number to nearest tens, but in this example I rounded off 178 to its highest place. Here it is a 3-digit number, so I rounded off the given number to nearest 100, and here I rounded off the given number to highest place, which is tens. So what is my rule to make our calculations easier? To estimate the product, round off each factor to its greatest place. What we have to do? We have to round off each factor to its greatest place. See the example here. 4329 into 609 into 609. So the number here is a 4-digit number. So the maximum place is 1000. I rounded off this number to nearest 1000. See what I get? 4000. Again the number at 100 place is 3, so I add 0. Similarly here it is a 3-digit number, so I rounded off this number to nearest 100. So what I get? 600. 4000 into 6000. My estimated product becomes very easy. 4 into 6 is 24. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So can you read this number? This number is 24 lakhs. See how my product becomes so simpler using the concept of estimation. Now take the last example as 9 multiplied by 677. Now 9 is nearer to 10, so I can directly round it off to 10. 677, using the same concept, 3-digit number, nearest 100, we'll round out the given number to nearest 100, and I get the answer as 700. Now my estimated product is 10 into 700, which is equal to 7000. So I hope you have understood all the questions. Thank you so much.